Brake check. Yeah, let's get those changed out.
Raise the vehicle. Lower the vehicle. Throw the wheel. 14 millimeter. Also 14 millimeter. Grab that caliper out of there. It's probably gonna be stuck. It's stuck. There we go. Safe, out of the way. Careful with that brake hose. Don't want to hurt that either. This caliper is actually stuck and is going to get replaced. Get these worn out pads out of here. Ugh. She a little toasty. 14 millimeter. Also 14 millimeter. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Look at all that rust. New one goes on. Like a glove. This caliper is sticking really bad, and it's not the slide pins. You can see, but these slide pins are still compressible. 12 millimeter. Tub. If your new caliper did not come with copper washers, be careful not to lose these ones. See, there's one copper washer. The other one, it's right in there. You don't want to lose these. Don't need this anymore. Ooh. Go ahead and separate caliper and bracket. Put that copper washer, one on that side. Copper washer. Get that. No! Install bracket. Ah. Your new caliper already came with new shims. All you have to do is slide these in. Some people put grease in those, but speed run. And put that caliper back on. Quickly! Bleed the brakes. Call a friend. Screw you, George. Remove the lid. Okay. Done. So, in all seriousness, real quick, these are the powder-coated calipers from Power Stop, and they would clean up a little bit, but I mean, you can see right there that over winter, that coating is just peeling off. So 2 years of Iowa winters, 2 years of salt, really killing it. So do what you will. I don't know if it was worth the price I paid for powder coated calipers. So I've always bought the cheap rotors, and they always rust out really bad along the edges and the face. I went with a little bit more expensive rotor just because I'm curious to see how they hold up. So maybe in a different video, we'll see how these can survive the winter and the salt rush. Do the other side. Yeet. She's a little low, so grab some .3, fill it back up. Drive the car.